Okay, folks, today we're going to do a simple door handle change on the front door of a house. This is the handle here. Problem is, with this, when you open it, your fingers get pinched in here. So, this is staying. This is the automatic lock, digital lock. This knob is getting changed and replaced with this Kwikset. Comes with everything you need. Tools, you need a screw gun, screwdriver. On this door knob, we need an Allen key to get the knob off. And you'll need a drill bit to match the size of this screw hole housing right here. Alright, so here we go. I already disassembled these knobs. So I go like this, hold that, pull this off. I'm going to take this piece off, which I already took the screws out earlier. And last but not least, we're going to take the outside knob off and put it back. Now we're left with this. This will stay here. This will stay here. There's nothing wrong with this, so we're going to reuse it. Like I said, this we're not touching. It's the fingerprint digital code lock, deadbolt. All right, so here we go. Hopefully you can see this. We got to make sure that this fits in here. Once we have that in place, we got to mark a hole here. The reason I have tape there is so it don't chip up the door. Even though these doors will be getting painted anyway, you can move it around to get it centered. Okay. So what you want to do is put it in the exact middle, so you have plenty of play later if you have to put the level on it and adjust it. And what we do is we lock it up with some tape. This way, and this way, and then from side to side. So, one for this side, one for this side, all right? Now, I'm going to take this marker, and we're going to put a lot of stuff on the end of that. Nice and wet. Before it dries, we're going to put it in place and press it into the tape. Once we have our thing, we have it kind of level. Boom, there you have it. Okay, see the mark? Alright, so now, just to make sure it looked halfway decent when I did that, I'm going to put it back there, look at it, very close. Okay, and like I said, later we can adjust this anywhere we want. Now next, we're going to drill a hole. Again, nice and square with the drill. Can you fit? Aha. This side's just finished through, so. That's like that. I'm going to take this tape off. But, it's all just spray away on here. Put soap in it. You say Hail Mary and hope it fits. And you want to check that that is in the right spot and catch it. Now, let's see what good is going to be. I probably should do this before I start drilling the freaking holes. I've been down this road before. Look at that. With an Allen key. Here's the new interior handle. Screws. Cap for the screw. More screws. This is the new door check, which I'm going to use after we paint the doors. Same with the striker, which will be put on after the door. So that goes with that. This is this. These are most likely the striker screws. I'll put that in there. This we're also going to put on after paintwork. Basically, what I need are these things right here. If you guys can see that, I think you can. So this is going to go this way. sure you hold this. Put this in. Also, has a little pressure to it, so it's not going to spin that easy. Alright. The next step would be these bad boys. Alright, usually they're Phillips heads. I'm going to go in here and try to line it up with the other side of the housing. When I do that, I start out by turning these backwards until I feel I'm clicking to the threads. This avoids cross threading. They're very fine threads, so not hard to cross thread. I don't tighten it up, I leave it loose. I skip the step. This has to be removed. So now that I got it held together with the one screw, and these are usually reverse. So if you're tightening it, it's usually loosening. So if you turn it left, it's actually, clockwise is going to loosen the screw. Opposed to, no, I'm wrong, this one's the other way. So counterclockwise on the Allen key should release the hand. There you go. The Allen key's on this side. Let me show you the shaft right there. So you can see that if I turn this righty-tighty, it's actually bringing it out, which is opposite of 90-something% of screws. And what that does, it presses up against the handle and keeps it from slipping off. So again, counterclockwise turns it all the way in, so the handle can slip on. Take that out. Now we got room to put the screw in. I'm going to take this screw and turn this kind of straight. Alright, and then, it's hard to do this with the phone in my hand, but I make this as level as I can. And turn the screw backwards, I just felt the click. So now I'm going to tighten up my hand a little bit. I'm going to take the screwdriver. Make sure you got the right tip screwdriver, otherwise you'll strip these. There's all kinds of different Phillips heads. 1, 2, 3, so the number coincides with the size of the tip of the screwdriver. Okay, now, I like to get it level and put it on top of here. But like I said, the door's getting painted, so for now I'm going to eyeball it. So I put the eyeball on it. And I'm going to go like this. Lock this. So the door can't close. I'm not going to crank these too tight. I'm going to tighten them together so it grabs everything even. Over here. Then before we crank down on them anymore, come out here. Now, I never put the level on here either, but it's sort of coming off of the near future. So, that's pretty good. I see how I tighten it all the way. I still can adjust that. Let me pull that good. Make sure this side still looks level. When you move one side, the other side moves. Stay good, so. Now let's give this a little bit of crank. Okay. And then this slips on. And now we can check if it works. And that's basically it. I gotta put a screw in here. It will help somebody, so.